Don't see Damien Hirst doing this, do you?
Decided we're going to play a little bit of a prank.
Oh! So what a great way to end the day. How awesome does that look? Goodbye! Right, good morning everyone. It's Wednesday, live stream day. The sun is in the sky, actually the last day of sun before. I think it's going to rain for about 8 days constantly, but that's okay. So we're waiting on light panels to be delivered, plus a number of other things. We'll get the doors open, windows open, and off we go. Guys, look, it might just look like a brown box, but let me tell you that could not have arrived at a better time. Why? Because we're on rig number 4, on day number 4 of the lighting rig project.
On live stream day,
yes.
Trying to get this one built so that we've got it ready for tonight.
So no pressure, which is why we're in early, because we had notification that the delivery was coming from the courier. They've just dropped it off. We even rigged up the camera system out here, over in the corner as you can see, so we could monitor when they pulled up. That's all worked like a dream. So those 4 new light panels ready to go on rig number. It's all 4s today, isn't it, mate? Yeah. 4th day of doing the lighting, 4th rig, 4 panels to go on. So that's what we're going to bang on with next.
Right guys, what we've just done here, hopefully you've seen in about an 8-second clip, has taken what, hour, something like that? So it takes about an hour to make these rigs up.
Don't see Damien Hirst doing this, do you?
Ah, right lads. Just going up top to do a little bit of hoovering.
Let me know in the comments if you think I've missed a bit. Right guys, so that we've actually got it up there, and then we are gonna do a grand reveal, switch everything on. Dude, do the grand reveal of the brand new 16 panel Swarez lighting rig. Oh, dude. Right, seriously, this is the first time we've put everything on, so you've just seen it exactly how we're gonna see it. There's no way you can experience this how it is in here, but...
Yeah. So let me go back off.
All right. How
that is what we got up there. We've got 2 fluorescent bulbs.
Yeah.
And it's two fluorescent strips up top.
That's it.
Back on.
Wow. I'd like to say the difference is night and day, but that's a bit of a bad pun. How about that?
Wow.
There we go, guys, look at that. So if you want to see what this looks like on the live stream broadcast, which by the time you watch this, will have already done, but actually which is due in about 4 hours. Now there'll be a link in the description. Go check it out with the link up above and just see how unbelievable this place now looks on YouTube and with the new lighting system. Okay, I'm going to leave Adi to stretch painting up. I am going to come and empty the pod, which has got some clients' work in there. And I'm going to get set up for the live stream. This is the last one we've wrapped up, ready to take out to client on Friday. I'm going to wrap it today because we're going to be out tomorrow. So as you can see, there's 1 or 2 here already. In fact, we're taking 8. Okay, so the pod is now empty, which is great. Got this one out, and oh yeah, there's a couple of others on the board I've got to take photographs of. We'll work our way through the absolute mountain of paintings I've got. So I've just taken an order today, 1, 2, 3, on those 3 paintings there, which is now going to be stretched around the frames. So I've just been organising the timber for those. I tell you what, it looks like absolute chaos in here because of stuff everywhere, but it isn't. But what we are doing is getting ready to actually go out to quite a few clients with quite a few paintings.
Right, just setting up live stream. Me and Ed decided we're going to play a little bit of a prank with our new lighting rigs and everything else that we've done. We're going to pretend that we can't get the lights on just prior to the live stream, and Ed's going to light himself up with a torch, and then we're going to suddenly bang the lights on. So it's going to be all dark like that, as you can see on the screen. Yeah, and then it's suddenly going to do that and go boom and into the light.
Right guys, just finished the live stream. As we've come out of the studio, we just wanted to show you what we've been greeted with. Having just created a work of art, do you know what? You just can't compete with nature, because that is probably the greatest work of art of them all. Look at that for a sky. And we're going to drive home through that over the top of the hills. So what a great way to end the day. Yeah, that's it, folks. We've done the live stream. Epic success with the brand new lighting rig. For Adi and I think it's really time that we should go home now. If you're new here and like what we do, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Right, so here we are on Thursday, actually quite late on Thursday, which is normally a work from home day, which I have done today. But now at 20 to 6, we're taking a painting out, commission painting, out to a client who we delivered one to last week, which you may have seen on the vlog. And now their second one is due for delivery. So that's where we're going to now. Just waiting for Adi to get in the van. Off we go. And we've arrived. There we go, buddy. Only one today. Nice. Right, should we go and give him a knock? Good evening. I don't suppose you were waiting for us by any chance, were you? Yeah, right. Well, I'll just close it back up. Okay, let's get the kettle on. Right guys, how awesome does that look? Happy clients times 2, obviously because we were there last week as well, so that's 2 out of 3 for them. And we're going to start painting for the dining room, and you'll be able to see that in the vlogs that are to come. Hopefully at some point we'll be back putting that on the wall, but right now, even though it's 7:15 in the evening, me and Adi have got to go off to the studio and load up for the clients for tomorrow. Right, just arrived at the studio and time to get this little lot put on the van, strapped, ready for tomorrow. Right guys, yesterday we were on live stream, did an epic painting. Right, are we ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Look at that. Oh yes. Hey, check that out. Yeah, this is the first time we've seen it since live stream. I'm having to shout because it's very, very noisy in here because of the extractor. How about that? All day long, look at that. We'll put a link in the corner so you can go and have a look at it being actually painted. How about that? Pretty spectacular. Okay, you've seen the live stream painting, remote control, goodbye. Well, we finally arrived after nearly 4 hours of travelling without a break on the British motorway network, but we're here at 1:45, so we're going to meet the client. That's 2 more originals gone to our client's house. I think they look pretty spectacular, I think you'll agree. And now, on a very rainy Friday afternoon, we're going to spend another 4 hours trying to get home.